Happy January, Happy New Year, Happy 2024, Happy Cozy Vibes. Today's video, we are going to be decorating our coffee bar for Valentine's Day. You guys, the older I get, the more girlier I get. I like all the pink stuff, all the hearts, all the romantic vibes. Like, just give it to me. Like, I just love it. Also, it's a drab, gloomy day. Like, the gloomiest of the gloomiest days. There's rain and there's no sunlight, but we're in our cozy pajamas and we're just gonna upload. Who cares if I don't look perfect, if the day doesn't look perfect? We're just gonna get these uploads going and rolling. Like I said, today we're gonna be decorating our coffee bar for our Valentine's Day. And I'm gonna be definitely decorating more of the house for Valentine's Day. I just love pink in general. Like I said, the older I get, the more pink things I need. So yeah, if you like romantic vibes, vintage vibes, cozy vibes, then I would highly recommend to, you know, subscribe, join the family. And if you miss me, then I post on TikTok all types of videos as well. I'm just all over the place, and that's who I am. And we're just gonna like embrace it, romanticize it, love it. And yeah, I missed you guys, and let's get on into the video. Okay, so we have some pine cones here that I definitely think I'm gonna stack them on the shelf. You'll see. Every year we get these little cinnamon pine cones, and of course the smell dies down, so I keep them and I use them for like DIYs or decorating. I don't know, I love a pine cone. I feel like it's just so cozy. But yeah, we have the snow globe, very wintry vibes, and I just feel like it's simple, pretty. We have some candles, of course. This one is rose cedar crackling wood wick, and very much rose, gives like the springy fresh vibes, but still cozy because the crackling wood wick, and that's from Target. And then we also have from Mars Candle Co. bamboo coconut. I've been burning this forever and it's lasted so long, and there's a gold top to it somewhere, and it's super cozy and romantic looking. We also have like this really pretty tea set, and we're gonna use this just for decoration. It's my mom's, so I don't want to break it. And I also have this pretty wrapping paper that I got from Marshall's after Christmas, 50% off, $3.99. But I thought we could put it where the glass is. I think that would be perfect, and just use it for other DIYs around the house when we decorate for Valentine's Day. It just has this really pretty romantic, gives the vintage vibes pinstripe. And then we have these we have these music notebook that my mom actually got me from the library. It was like 10 cents. She knows my style so well, and I'm gonna use it to DIY like either pictures or I want to do, I think, a garland somehow with this, so we'll see. Let's just get into decorating. Actually totally forgot I had this artwork. I bought it from like a shop in the mall. They had like a bunch of small businesses or shops, and she was not there, the artist, but you can find her at Frogs and Chaos, I believe was her name, on Instagram. And look at this beautiful artwork. It's just like watercolors, I believe, and it has like the little coffee pot, books, plants. I'm just like clean this and put the Christmas wrapping paper. I hope it comes out cute. I feel like this is like my main vision. I don't know, I just like really thought this would like spice things up. But yeah, we're gonna wipe this down because I have kids, and then we're going to see how this turned out. It's beautiful. I feel like it looks like fabric, first of all, up close. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed. It's giving like romantic vibes, vintage vibes, like French country. I'm like obsessed. You guys have no idea. Okay, let me do this one, but when I tell you, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Day 2 of decorating my Valentine's coffee bar, and look at how gorgeous these doilies were, you guys. The Dollar Tree did not disappoint. I also picked up a bunch of these dusty pink blush roses, and they're so gorgeous. I got these frames as well. You will see in another video of what I did with those, as well as these candles are just for around the house. You guys, when I tell you Dollar Tree had the most gorgeous things, I try to keep my decor simple and not to like purchase too many things. I still haven't gone to a bunch of stores, and I just don't want to like you know, buy too many things, but I just thought there were so many interesting things to see at the Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day. I felt like there were so many things to DIY with and just to add. Like, oh my god, I was like obsessed. And then they had a lot of pretty flowers. I really like this like collection of like, I think they're carnations, I'm not sure, but look at how pretty and dusty and like vintagey those flower colors were. And then again, these doilies, look at how, oh my god, they're just so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I was tempted to get the little foil confetti, and then they had these cups. I almost got this dish for my spoon, but like I said, I don't want to go too overboard. I just want to like take my time and create and use what I have. Now on to our little DIY garland. I'm so happy I got those doilies because I felt like I needed that to layer behind the music notes. So yeah, basically I just used as the bones this happy birthday garland. You can honestly just use string, but I use these as the bones to make it easier for me. Then I just like measured out my little heart, and then after you get your first heart that you love, you can just basically trace the rest from that heart. Also added to give it more color and just like a different look, the Christmas wrapping paper as a heart in the middle, and you'll see I just felt like it made it so pretty. You can always add more, add less, and do so many different things to make a garland for yourself. Honestly, I literally made like a whole coffee spot in my home, like Starbucks who. I literally recommend to make your own little corner. You don't need anything big because I'm so obsessed. I feel like it's just so cozy, so coquette, so girly and vintage, and I'm like obsessed. I feel like I will change things on top of the coffee bar, like just like the countertop. I think I do need to like get a more aesthetic coffee pot, but that will have to wait. Like, we just love a good old cup of potted coffee. Coffee table, I have like the flowers, it really brightens up the place. The little teapot under it, and I've had these like VHSs from my childhood, and like the movie Gidget and Sound of Music is so nostalgic and so special to me, so I just really happy, and I feel like they just look like old little books down there. That being said, I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below what you guys think. I can't wait to post more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.